Hi, this is Yogesh Pantala. I'm a part of Group 2 project. We worked on a simulation of a Subway restaurant, and in our project we used Subway restaurant here, and it's both dine-in and takeaway restaurant, and the orders of the food are completely customized. The wait times and the total times are not optimal. We simulated the flow of the customers and suggested different options for the improvement of the restaurant. Our main objectives of the project are like how long each customer waits in the queue and the total wait time for each customer in the queue. We studied about the time between the customer arrival and when they receive the order. We used an additional cashier and compared it with the single cashier model. And in our project, customers serve as the entity and the arrival rate is defined by scheduling. The 6 employees work as the resources. We have 6 employees working according to the schedule, and it's a 2-section preparation process of the food. In one condition we used one register and the other model with additional register by employing 2 or more persons. We use scheduling for every employee according to the data we collected on the real time.
Hi, I'm Karthik and I'm gonna take from now. So about the model, we have created a subway model here. We use stations and for the animation and all. So we divided the preparation into 2 sections. One is the bread section and other is the veg section. And to explain it to you completely, so here for the employee schedules, we have defined some schedules here, each of when do they work and when do they not, and all according to the schedules. We defined it by going to the real time of their schedule times. So, and again for the resources, we created the resources based on the schedule, and about the queues and all. In the process we define all the resources in a set, so that and in the cyclical order, and we have given the scheduling to it. So when this runs, the bread section meat, it goes to oven, and if it's toasted it goes to the toaster machine, and if not it comes to the veggies. And in the veggies section again we have 3 of the resources here. So these 3 resources are again given to the in a set like this. In the prep B set we have 3 resources, so we have defined it in the sets, and after it we go to take out or dine in, and then the customer leaves the restaurant. So as I said, the first section of preparation we used is 3 resources per and they have an individual schedule. And for the counter process, here we did model in 2 models. One is with single counter and one is with additional counter. And for the additional counter there will be 3 employees working, and a schedule has been assigned to them. And for the single counter set there is only 1 employee working all the time. So my friend will explain you about the animation. Thank you.
Hi, myself Bhargav Namala. The animation of a model demonstrates arrival of the customers at restaurant, the number of customers waiting to the order, the employee in the register result seizing each customer gives a visual representation of the amount of people that accommodate the queue, as well as I will show the animation of our model. If you see, this is the prep A section, this is the prep B section, this is the toaster. The people gonna arrive to the prep A section for the bread selection, and if they're gonna toast it, here the bread gonna be toasted, and they're gonna go for the veggie section. If you see the results may be around the 798. I'm gonna show the comparison between the registers and without registers. For animation, we used stations, and also we used different resource pictures for distinguishing different employees who are working at the particular time of simulation. Results with single register. If you see, while using single register, we have only the 8 employees. If you see Elisa, there is a 198.50 average time. When we are using additional register, the time gonna increase. If you see here the Elisa time is 199.90. So after comparing the both results, we came to know that there is a significant change in total times and wait times. Rather than using additional register, we recommend employ extra on the peak hours of the restaurant at noon, so that the wait times will be decreased. We also decrease the queue at the counter by only using the additional register at peak hours. Thank you.